Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you why are your AirPods so quiet. At first we have to go into settings and our headphones menu settings. Here we have to scroll down to accessibility and scroll down again. Here as again we have tone volume. You might have your tone volume changed previously by accident and you have to set it to your preferred value. The maximum value is 156 as you can see, but the standard value is 100. Apart from that, we can go into audio and visual settings, and if you think that your headphones are too quiet, you have to go into headphone accommodations, enable them, and perform custom audio setup. But to do so, we have to insert our headphones into our ears. Custom audio setup, continue. Here we have to tap continue again, and now you have to tap if you hear someone speaking over here. As you can see, you can hear something, yes or no. I hear one, so I will tap yes. Now continue, and here you can manage your volume level, and apart from that, you can manage if version 1 version 2 is louder. For me, version 2 is louder, and with the comparison to the same, for me version 2 is louder, and here version 1 is louder for me. Here as you can see, this is the difference we have made. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.